my president.
Okay, go ahead.
Are you satisfied with the SA's response? Are you satisfied?
Yeah, I'm partly satisfied. What their response meant was that they are working, and they understood the fears of the local government workers, and they didn't dispute any of the points raised. They have equally mentioned the areas they have tried to address them, but it remains, and they did not deny that they are working towards its realization. You can move beyond tokenism. You know, we have done this, but principally what the local government workers are asking for is the constitutionalization of some of these issues that gives it a legal backing. It will not be based on the magnanimity of the governor, because if you have a governor who doesn't agree to it, it will do a different thing. But if it is enshrined in the constitution, every governor must be bound by law to implement those policies.
So after this protest, what next up?
Well, the protest is still ongoing in 6 geopolitical areas. Then we'll go to the level of advocacy in the National Assembly to make sure that these laws are amended and new ones are enacted.
Thank you.